Hope that's not poison ivy because I just touched it. All right, come on. We're going uphill. Life is an uphill battle. That's what I always say. We are in the High Falls Nature Trail. Very naturious. Ooh, shit. Better step over this. Step on shit. Ooh. Man. Almost out of breath. What is that? That looks like something out of Winnie the Pooh.
Looks like a tree.
Where a little Huffin' Weezard lives.
This looks like a tree to me.
You look like a tree to me.
Shut the fuck up.
And so does your mom. Alright. Careful here. Good thing I have my tracksuit on. Keep me nice and poison ivy free. But the shorts don't help. Yeah, this is really uphill. Ooh. Hopefully there's like a nice little rock we can sit on or something up here and take a little rest. Or some like little berries we can eat, or nuts or something. Or a dead body we can cannibalize. Just kidding. I shouldn't say that this loud. Things echo here. Oh wow, look at that. It's a nice little spot. Powerade! I'm so thirsty. If I was trapped out here, I would drink that, but I'm not. So I'm not going to. That's gross. All right, come on. Let's keep walking. Oh man, I should have brought my hiking boots. No, I didn't. Fuck. All right, be careful around here. It's a slippery slope. A treacherous trail. That sounds like a series of unfortunate events book. The Treacherous Trail by Lemony Snicket. Oh man. Oh wow, look, now we're at the rocky part. Wow, this is just beautiful. For real. Don't fall, Patrick.
I'm not. I'm fine.
Don't slip on my drip.
Shut up.
Oh, that's really nice. Look at this. That's where we go now. We go up through here. The journey uphill continues. Oh man. Spit. Come on. Careful here, really careful. Oh, fuck. I'm a professional filmer. This is called cinematography. Be super careful here. You'll get mud on your shoes. That's the last thing you would want. All right. So is this a trail uphill?
Yeah.
I think you're wrong about that. I think we go downhill from here.
Well, you can just do whatever the fuck you want. It's free. The whole world is your trail.
Look at this rock. Wow. Yeah, that's a little place where you could like throw a dead body.
That's a good idea.
Actually, that's a bad place. You'd have to like cover it up with some dirt or something, and just a little bit. Come on.
All right, let's go.
Why? You need a picture? Oh, there's a water bottle down there too. Spider webs. All right. Oh man, we're really out here in the woods, in the wilderness, where the wild things are.
Sure.
Fuck.
What?
Nothing. My feet are just sore. Alright, that's enough for now. No more videoing.